The following is a test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This is a test. WDFA is conducting an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system equipment. This test is normally conducted every Saturday at noon, usually in coordination with the Olive Branch weekly siren test. In the event of a real emergency, this system would bring you immediate information stating the event, the affected area, and emergency instruction. WDFA relays alerts for the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alerting Protocol and through the nationwide encoder relay program. For more information about our emergency alert equipment, visit www.wdfaradio.com. This concludes the weekly test of the WDFA emergency alert system. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system on WDFA.